Well, gang, I guess this is it. I'm finally getting around to filming this. I mean, I've been saying that Video 200 is coming up, but a combination of weather, work, and I mean, work is actually causing me to not do as many videos because there are days when it's like I come home and I really feel like really don't want to do it, which makes me wonder, is this all worth it? I don't know, but feel free to enjoy this, and I'll be back after a while. Well, look what we have here. Oh, what could it be? Could it be that fan I've been bragging about? If this would be part of my 200th video? Woohoo! Well, it could very well be. I mean, it says model SXC 2-speed 20-inch multi-purpose portable fan. Penney's. Penney Company Laboratory tested and approved. Yeah, you don't see that shit anymore. This was when quality was meant something. Anyway, yeah, this is the fan that I got, that I bragged about. Well, not really bragged, just kind of said, hey, I got another fan, woohoo, yay me. Whatever. So let's take a look at the side and see what we got. Yeah, this is what the side of the box looks like. This side up, model SXC, Penney's, 20-inch, multi-purpose portable fan. It says fragile, handle with care, and I noticed that there was a price tag right there. If I can zoom in good enough, I'll show the price tag off later. So yeah, the other side of the box is the same, so we'll unbox it and check it out. Oh, this thing is heavy. Oh, man. Oh, this thing is heavy. This thing weighs a ton. But maybe that's a good thing, too. So, plug it up. Here we go with high. Sounds a little noisy, but it probably just fact needs oil and stuff. Low. A little quieter. I think the rattling could be this badge. Alright. Or the motor might need oil. I don't know. Yeah, I think the motor may need oil. By the way, I'll probably do something with this. Neat. Since I have it up on the table, let's take a closer look. Well, here's what the badge looks like. Penney's, always first quality. That's the same badge that's on my reversible TBRC 720-3 and square. Looks like your early S2 something models. Here's the model number sticker. Model number SXC. Manufactured by Lakewood Engineering Manufacturing, Chicago 7, Illinois. Yep. Here's the control knob. I love that knob. I love it. Typical off, high, low. Handle. Let's take a look at the back. The back, typical. I mean, not really typical, but grill may need to be cleaned up. You all approved. And the motor, it's a Redmond motor from Owasso, Michigan. I think I mispronounced it last time, but yeah, Owasso, Michigan. Let's see if I can get a startup sound. Probably not. I'll try low. blades are nice and shiny. I'm getting nothing. Oh well. Oh well. Probably not going to cry about it. I mean, heck, this will probably be used when I get my own place again. So that does it for the SXC box fan made for pennies. And before I forget, I promised to do that price tag sticker. And this was sold, and from what the seller told me, this was from 1962 for the low, low price of $18.88. So if we were to compose that in $2011, it'd be very expensive. Very expensive. So, yeah. Very nice. Well, I guess that's it for that round. Will there be more videos? There will be. But as frequent? I don't know. Because, like I said, work and everything else. But I guess we'll see what happens as time will tell and all that stuff. But until then, I'm Eskie. Thank you for watching. And as always, the comment box is open.